This has become quickly one of my son's favourite toys. It is the microscope. Very, very easy to use. I'll literally just show you in 2 seconds. All you need to do is press and hold the second button to turn it on. You'll see here it turns on. It's already in English. There we go. And then all I need to do is, if I want to go and view something, I just click that button there and then I put in the sample. So all you need to do here is to move it up, is this button here, to slide it along. And to focus it is just push this left or right. And as you move along, you will see it starts to sharpen up the focus of whatever you decide to put in. You do get some test ones to put this in. This is onion, of all things. You can test, so all you do is you slide it into this part here. There we go. Let me show you here. And then all I need to do is put it down here. You'll see the screens went green because I'm focusing on this green sample. There we go. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Move that along. There we go. That's up right in the centre. There we go. So I can see now. Yeah. So I don't know if you'll be able to see that. That is the onion that we're looking at right now. So it's very easy to use. It's no hassle at all. My son picked it up in 2 seconds. You can record things. You can do loads of different things with it. But really, really simple. Kids will love it, just out of interest. What we tend to do now is go out to the garden, pick up things and have a look at them. So if it gets them interested in science, why wouldn't you buy it?